Mineral Scan helps gold prospectors to locate mineral deposits and naturally occurring minerals. Potential target signatures for mineral gold occurrences are based on results from various known goldfields and mines. Connect the super sensor and select Mineral Scan. Select a free memory slot. If there are no empty slots, you may override a previous scan. Go to the starting point, start the scan and walk to the end of your scan line. The scan values will be recorded continuously for later analysis. Make sure that your scan line has a minimum length of 20 meters to collect enough values. After finishing your measurement, import the scan file into Visualizer 3D Studio. Switch to side view and scale the scan image to identify potential mineral occurrences. Look for a signature that is commonly referred to as hit within a hit. This is a small value that is attached to a larger one. You located a potential mineral field? Proceed with a 3D ground scan to determine the size of the field.